Political scientist Dennis Springer is calling for the resignation of the Director General of the World Health Organization amid a diplomatic row with Taiwan and the United States. The head of the agency is embroiled in controversy over what U.S. President Donald Trump perceives as the organization's coziness with China on the COVID-19 outbreak. Moreover, the former minister government in Egypt has accused Taiwan of complicity in what he says were racist slurs hurled at him. Springer, who is a pro-Taiwan observer and fellow, believes the allegations are absurd.
Knowing the Taiwanese as I do, they would never have said that. They have been denied entry or even to participate in the World Health Organization and also the WHO as an observer, and they have taken it within their strides. Other countries have pleaded on their behalf. I believe that Tedros is doing China's work because of the success of Taiwan being so close to China. And don't forget that even yesterday, not one person was reported to have suffered with the coronavirus. And because they have taken the precautions very early. They were one of the first people to stop Chinese from coming in from the mainland to coming into Taiwan. Taiwan has been working on SARS.
In an open letter earlier this week, Taiwan Ambassador to St. Lucia, His Excellency Douglas C.T. Shen, expressed deep regrets over what he characterized as baseless accusations by WHO Director General. The United States, China, Taiwan, and the World Health Organization have been at loggerheads over the timeline of notification by authorities in Wuhan, China, about human-to-human transmission of the novel coronavirus. Geopolitical analysts believe that the global pandemic will accelerate the decoupling of the US and China at a time when international cooperation is needed. Trump has ordered the withdrawal of US aid to the WHO. While observers worry about the impact on the public health agency in coordinating not just the response to the pandemic, but other vital programs, Springer, who is no fan of Trump, does not think the move was unwarranted.
I don't have time for Trump, but I believe that Trump is right when America is paying into the United Nations something in the region of about $540 million, and then China has only paid $50 million, yet China has more influence than America because of Tedros. It's a joke, because they're the ones who sanction, that is China, who sanctioned him into so he's speaking on their behalf, and I think the time has come when people must be done things in a moralistic way, when they must have integrity, when they cannot think of themselves or those around them. They must think on the whole.
This week, Taiwan is reporting just 1 to 6 new COVID-19 cases per day. However, tight restrictions remain in place regarding containment and mitigation. Springer, who is adamant that the WHO Director General vacate the post, says Taiwan's handling of the pandemic should prove very instructive to St. Lucia.
He must leave the WHO immediately, as far as I'm concerned. I'm very angry that you can say that Taiwan is a racist country or have come up with racist remarks. Taiwan would never do that. This is my adopted country, and they would not do something like that. And as you know, I've been to Taiwan so many times. I've studied there, and I've always found these people one of the nicest people I can come across. And not only that, they have the scientific and medical facilities that is necessary for St. Lucia. We would never been in a position that we are in right now if we had gone and got the help immediately.
Taiwan is providing assistance to staunch ally St. Lucia. This week, Taipei reportedly dispatched medical supplies and equipment which are en route to St. Lucia in aid of the fight against the pandemic. Colby DeVoe, HTS News Force.